Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 713, and today's topic is the medicinal properties and health benefits of oleo oil. Oleo oil in Indian language is called zaitun ka tel, and in Arabic also it is called zaitun, and this zaitun is considered as holy because it is mentioned in Holy Quran. Was zaitun wa tur sinina. So zaitun is very important, and in ancient books it is mentioned as a liquid gold. They consider it as a liquid gold, and it is very rich in phytochemicals. And this tree, this oleo tree, belongs to Palestinian, Mediterranean countries, but nowadays in large quantity it is cultivated in America, USA, and some sub-Saharan, subtropical countries also. So we can say that globally it is cultivated now, but in market, two oleo oils are very popular. One is called Turkish oleo oil, and second one is called Italian oleo oil. But the best one is Turkish oleo oil, because Turkish oleo oil is containing 75% oleic acid, that is monounsaturated fatty acid, while the Italian means Western, European and American, they contain 65% oleic acid, and this Turkish one is actually a Mediterranean plant, and it contains 10% more monounsaturated fatty acid glycerides. It is also the mixture of glycerides, the oleo oil. Oleo oil is very good in quality because of its high smoking point, and that is around 500 degree Fahrenheit. It is very rich in mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids, and it contains very small amount of saturated fatty acids like palmic acid, stearic acid. And actually this oleo oil is found in different grades. One is called extra virgin oleo oil or virgin oleo oil, and this extra virgin or virgin oleo oil is extracted from by peeling of the fruit, which is not even ripe, it is green, and with that in natural form it is peeled and extracted out, and this is one of the costliest oleo oil. And the second one is refined oleo oil, and that refined one is by expression method. The oleo oil is extracted. Oleo oil is widely used as a cooking oil globally, and also it is used for medicinal purpose. There are a lot of medicinal preparations for skin, as a skin care product, as a hair care product, as a nail product, and there are some formulations I will give. So it is very good for your skin because of the presence of vitamin E, oleic acid and linoleic acid, and it is very good for our heart also because oleo oil is very rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory phytochemicals, and because of this they can drastically reduce these oleo oils, whether it is virgin, extra virgin or refined, your oxidative stress, and it will not allow the formation of blood clot in your arteries. And in Japan, China and some Asian countries, it is common practice, people they used to take 1 teaspoon of oleo oil every day. So in that case it is supplying very good quantity of omega-3 fatty acid, and that will take care of your osteoarthritis problem or knee inflammation or swelling, and also it is used to massage nowadays your knee, and especially those who are suffering from knee inflammation, joint inflammation. Nowadays olive oil is applied, and then you are asked to sit in sunlight for 10-15 minutes in the morning, and it will reduce the inflammation drastically. It is also used, it's very common practice for your digestive system. If somebody is suffering from constipation or stomach disorder, it is given either with honey, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of olive oil in hot water or in hot milk, and drink it. So it can take care of your bowel movement and your constipation. So it has lot of medicinal properties, and it has lot of health benefit. And the most important one is that olive oil can boost the production of serotonin. It's a type of chemical in our brain, and that serotonin is known as the mood booster. It will protect you from depression. So even those who are having some tendency of depression, they can take the olive oil. And also it is good to take for those people who are having some problem of cancer formation or abnormal cells. It is helpful in the checking and destroying the tumor formation, because it is very much rich in antioxidants, and they can drastically damage the free radicals, which are really evil. So overall, it has lot of medicinal properties, and it has lot of health benefits. So the medicinal value and health benefits of olive oil, which is called in Indian language zaitun ka tel. The botanical name is Olea europea, and it belongs to family Oleaceae. Number one, the plant is native of Palestine and has been largely cultivated in the USA and Mediterranean countries. Nowadays, it is also cultivated in subtropical countries. The tree is short and evergreen, grows up to 10 meters in height and attain a long age. Number two, olive oil has several grades of purity and important varieties, which is called, one is called extra virgin olive oil, other one is called virgin olive oil, and third one is called refined olive oil. And this extra virgin olive oil and virgin olive oil is very costly as compared to refined one. And this extra virgin and virgin olive oil are produced by the pressing the peeled pulp of endocarp. I mean the green one is crushed, and under pressure it is peeled, and that peel from that endocarp the oil is isolated. Olive oil is light greenish yellow in color. It is in liquid form, and which has faint but characteristic odor. It is slightly acrid in taste. The oil is miscible with ether and chloroform, and it is slightly soluble in alcohol. And number three, olive oil is the mixture of glycerides of fatty acids, like any other mixture of fatty acids. And this mixture of fatty acids, they are in the form of ester, and that is called glyceride. So in the case of olive oil, I have already told you there are mainly two brand of olive oils globally. One is called Turkish olive oil, and this Turkish olive oil contains 75% oleic acid, 9% linoleic acid, and 10% palmitic acid, with less amount of stearic acid, malic acid, and arachidic acid. The Italian olive oil contains less amount of oleic acid, that is 65% oleic acid, and 15% palmitic acid, and 15% linoleic acid, and other acids are in minor quantities. Number 4, olive oil is an important edible oil and a pharmaceutical aid. It is used in dentistry as a setting material, and also it is used in preparation of soaps, plasters, and some other materials. Number 5, it is also excellent as a demulcent and emollient, is for skin irritation or skin rashes, and a laxative. Today, olive oil is most outstanding global oil because of its consumption as a nutrient and as a salad oil or in cooking. Actually, nowadays, olive oil is available globally and is popular everywhere. East, west, north, south, everywhere people they use it as one of the best oil for cooking purpose, for medicinal purpose, and as a nutrient also. And I have given here some 3-4 formulations for your skin, for your hair, and for your aging. So that I will discuss later on. And it has high smoke point. It is roughly 480 to 500 degree Fahrenheit smoking point. So it is good to fry the edible material like meat, fish, or chicken, anything. Number 6, olive oil is rich in antioxidants, is strong anti-inflammatory. It can protect against heart disease. Actually, it is rich in vitamin E. And also it is rich in potassium, calcium, magnesium. It has lot of minerals also. All together, they are very good for our heart health, for our bone, and for our brain. So all together, it is a very, very medicinal. It has lot of medicinal properties, and it can protect against heart disease, good for skin and hair health. It is called liquid gold in an ancient world. Extra virgin oil is the best oil for our body and mind. It is very costly. I mean the extra virgin oil or virgin oil. They are the costly virgin oil, but the refined one is not very costly. Middle class or upper middle class people can afford. And olive oil improves nail health, prevent breast cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease. It can treat depression, and it can strengthen bone and relieve constipation. It helps to prevent heart stroke. For that purpose, in India and China, Japan, some people they used to take half spoon or 1 spoon every day. But at least once in a week, if you are taking this olive oil, 1 teaspoon will be enough. Number 7, that is formulation I have given here. Formulation for skin. So for that skin formulation, you take 2 teaspoons of olive oil plus 1/3 cup of yogurt, that is we call in Indian language dahi, or here kindirmo or nono, this in Maiduguri, plus 1/4 cup of honey. You mix them well and thoroughly, and you will get the thick solution. Apply this solution on your face, skin, and leave it for 20 minutes. After that you wash. Your skin will be healthy and shining, healthy. Also, virgin oil is best alternative to your makeup. For your makeup, rather than going to some synthetic products, the best is your extra virgin or virgin olive oil. That is good, healthy, and at the same time it is not harmful. Other synthetic materials, they are having some minerals. They may be having zinc, they may be having some other components, and that may be harmful. So for makeup also, and anything for skin or for hair, best thing you go for the formulation of this olive oil. And then number B, anti-aging formulation. Those who are having some lining on the skin or wrinkle or some cracking of the heel, all these things can be taken care by this anti-aging formulation. So what you have to do, as you age, your skin gets wrinkles. Olive oil can delay it. So what you have to do, take 2 tablespoons of olive oil plus 1 tablespoon of lemon and plus few pinch of that is sea salt. Sea salt means some potassium salt. It's sold in the market. If you ask anybody sea salt, they will give you. Rock salt or sea salt is having same meaning. Just few pinch, add it and mix it thoroughly, and you apply that mixture. It can heal your crack on the skin, dry skin, wherever you see that there is some wrinkle or there is lining, you just apply this mixture, and it is very effective. And even if you have some crack on your heel, you can also apply this mixture. And that is sea salt mixture is well, and this mixture can heal crack, skin wrinkles. And that is C, formulation for hair health. For your health, what you have to take? Take half cup of olive oil plus 2 tablespoons of honey, and into it add 1 egg yolk, means the yellow portion. So yellow yolk is full of different type of fatty acids like omega-3, omega-6, and this is very good for your hair. It is best protein to be absorbed very quickly for your hair, and your hair will become healthy. So when you mix these 3 things, you will get jelly like or some semi-solid type of paste, and that paste you apply on your hair and leave it for 20-30 minutes, and after that you wash your hair. And this is the best substitute of your synthetic shampoo. Just use this one, and this formulation is natural and is very effective because you are adding the egg yolk, and actually there is egg oil. Egg oil is extracted from this yellow yolk, and that egg oil is nothing but very rich source of omega-3, omega-6 fatty acid and protein, and that one is mixed with your some shampoo and some hair oil, and those ones are very, very costly wherever there is egg oil. So it is nothing but egg oil. Your yellow one is in crude form, you are mixing and applying. That is same formulation. And for nail, if anybody who is having some cracked nail, just take your nail and dip into that 1 ball of cotton, and then you apply on your nail and leave this nail for 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And after that, you wash your nail. Your nail will become flexible or with elastic, and it will not be cracking or dry nail. Once it is, this olive oil is applied with the help of cotton ball. So these are all very, very important medicinal properties of olive oil. So olive oil is a really, what they have mentioned, the ancient people, that liquid gold is true, because it is a very good cooking oil. It is having lot of health benefits, and at the same time it is having lot of medicinal benefits. So with this I will stop, and thank you very much for watching the lecture.